Let's see how to enter columns in CYPE Architecture using the features in the Architecture tab. The tools for drawing the architecture of a building can be found in the Building Elements group. To enter a column, we expand the Vertical Elements menu and click on the last tool, Column. This way, there are two options for entering columns: individual entry and multiple entry using Sketchline. If we choose the individual entry option, the program allows us to add the columns one by one in the BIM model. In the pop-up window, we add the reference of the column. If we want to include the column in a specific level, we check the level box. In the entry mode section, we can choose between two options: using a point or using Sketchline. Then we specify the height of the column. In Properties, we specify the type of column we want with Load the typology of the architectural elements. In the Insertion Point section, we select whether we want to insert it from the center, from a side, or from a corner. To make it easier to place columns in the work area, we can activate the Draw Grid option, located in the top right toolbar. There are two ways to snap to a grid point: by activating the Snap to Grid tool, or by simply pressing the Control key. We can rotate the column once inserted by clicking on the rotation that appears and entering the desired angle. If the Allows for Dimensions to be defined upon entering each element option is activated, we can enter the angle directly. We then use the Copy tool to enter the following rows of columns. On the other hand, by clicking on the Columns Multiple Entry using Sketchline option, a pop-up window will appear very similar to the previous tab. The only difference is that if we need a radius of gyration, we must activate the With Rotation option. In Properties, we choose the type of column and then the insertion point. Finally, we select the sketch lines and left-click to confirm the action.